Get ready to test your knowledge of stunning waterfalls and the countries they call home. Can you guess the right flag before time runs out? Which country's flag matches this stunning waterfall? Venezuela. Fun fact: Angel Falls is the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world, with a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet. Can you guess the country by this iconic waterfall? Argentina. Fun fact: Iguazu Falls is made up of 275 individual drops and spans two countries, Argentina and Brazil. Which country does this majestic waterfall belong to? Zimbabwe. Fun fact: Victoria Falls is known as the smoke that thunders due to its mist and roaring sound. Guess the flag of the country hosting this waterfall. Canada. Fun fact: Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls and is famous for its immense power and beauty. Identify the country that features this enchanting waterfall. Croatia. Fun fact: Plitvice Lakes National Park, where these waterfalls are located, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which country's flag is associated with this beautiful cascade? Iceland. Fun fact: Seljalandsfoss is unique because you can walk behind its cascading water for a surreal experience. Where can you find this awe-inspiring waterfall? Guyana. Fun fact: Kayatur Falls is one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world by volume of water flow. Guess the flag of the country where this waterfall resides. United States. Fun fact: Yosemite Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in North America, located in Yosemite National Park. Can you figure out the country this incredible waterfall calls home? Iceland. Fun fact: Dettifoss is the second most powerful waterfall in Europe and is located in Vatnajökull National Park. Which country does this spectacular waterfall represent? New Zealand. Fun fact: Humboldt Falls is located in Fiordland National Park and cascades in 3 distinct tiers. Can you match this stunning waterfall to its country's flag? Iceland. Fun fact: Gullfoss, or Golden Falls, is part of Iceland's Golden Circle, a famous tourist route. Where would you find this breathtaking waterfall? Guess the flag. South Africa. Fun fact: Tugela Falls is the second tallest waterfall in the world, located in the Drakensberg Mountains. Thanks for joining this waterfall adventure. How many flags did you guess correctly? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exciting quizzes.